Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. Today we've got our sneaker review. Well, it's a slide, but a slide review and unboxing of the ADIDAS ADILETTE 2022. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification as well so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the ADILETTE 22. Sorry, I think I mentioned in the intro as 2022, but 2022 was the year that these released. And it is a US 8, it's a UK 8 as well, and it's a European 42. So these, before I get unboxing, are very controversial in the ADIDAS family group. It's annoyed a once famous, or a once influential ADIDAS co-sign. And he's not with the brand anymore. I won't say his name because I'm pretty sure you guys know who it is. And stems from this. So no matter all the controversies that are tied within this slide itself, design-wise, I think it's beautiful. I think it's very innovative. It's very unique. But it riled up one guy in particular, he who shall not be named for the time being, because there's a lot of just not great stuff around him at the minute. But you know, I hope he's kind of, if you're watching and we know that you are, hope you're doing all right. Just take some time to heal, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, we're looking at this slide in and of itself. So it is all one material. So if we start from the outsole, you can see all these grooves. It's very, very intricate detailing here. If you look, it kind of reminds me of the craters on like Mars, and that's where the inspiration for the shape came from. So if you look at the overall like layering that's on here, look there, the overall shape and the patterning of the slide is from the topographical looks and mappage of planets like Mars, all that rocky terrain, it's all around. So you can highlight there. It's like it's in the digital print format as well, with all the various lines going here. As mentioned, these are very, very unique. This is all made from one material. It's an EVA eventually, but it is recycled. It's using sugar cane, so all around it's using very sustainable materials all around. And we have these in the want to get the color right. This is the light brown, cool black colorway. But again, you can see all the similarities. You can see why a certain someone was quite upset, because it reminds me of, well, it reminds various people. I'm pretty sure you guys watching at home, reminds you of a Yeezy slide as well. But here we are, ADIDAS went forward and released these. Still, they didn't sell out. Even though they had that tagline with it, like it was copied from the Yeezy, but it was neither here nor there. This is in its own right. It's a good ADILETTE slide. It's a move on from the various ADILETTE slides that you can see. There was the bait ones with the 3 stripes. Those slides were beautiful, to be fair. I've had a pair in the past before, but these are very much different. Very on trend at the minute with all these tonal colors, like the mushroom or a dark kind of grey. It's very on trend at the minute. Apart from the colouring, you can see all the branding. So at the bottom of the heel, you can see the ADIDAS logo there. And just inside it says, Originals ADILETTE 22 made in China. So that rounds off my review. Obviously this is tied with a certain controversy amongst ADIDAS, but in and of itself, as a slide as itself, I think it's really cool. Really excited to try these on for you guys. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size ADIDAS fit. I believe the UK size 8 is perfect for my feet for the time being. Obviously, I will be barefoot wearing these. Personally, that's how I would roll. But there are just a few things that are quite annoyances in regards to these slides. I feel like there's not enough give at the strap where it should be at this top bit. I feel like it's proper digging into the top of my feet. Apart from that, it does feel very comfy. It's very lightweight. It's very comfortable for the underside of my feet. It is just the top bit that's just digging into the top of my feet. That is the problem. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.